It always makes me uneasy using electrical cords next to the pool. However, I have some good news, so stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You won't believe what I got through the mail today. It is a cordless leaf blower, and the company that was gracious enough to send it to me is called Vanpore. They want me to do a review on it and do an unpacking of the box, so I'm going to do that. When you got a yard as big as I have, you really need it cordless, and this is going to be really handy for me because I don't have a cordless leaf blower. So let's get to it. Stay tuned and let's unpack it. First thing I noticed, it comes in a small box. It was nicely packaged. That's the part number. I will add a link to the leaf blower as well as appropriate links in the description of the video if you're interested. So what I got was a couple of tubes for the leaf blower. They interlock with each other, so that was easy, not very difficult. Next, the leaf blower motor. The leaf blower is very light with everything connected. It's just above 5 pounds and it runs on a 20-volt battery. The on-off switch is conveniently placed on top of the handle, and it's right next to the speed dial, which goes from 1 through 6. My package came with one 20-volt 4-amp-hour battery. However, if you buy the tool, they will give you two 20-volt 4-amp-hour batteries. It's easy to install. Just slide it into the slot, and there was charge in the battery, so that's good news. It does come with one battery charger, and from what I read, it is a fast battery charger, which is good news. And finally, it does include a user manual. So first thing I'm going to do is charge the battery. Like I said, it was partially charged, but best to charge it fully before we get started. The light on the charger will be red while it's charging, and once it's fully charged, it will turn to green. Like I said before, the tubes interlock with each other very easily. And there are two holes on the end of the tube which slide onto the leaf blower and click onto the two tabs on the leaf blower. The tool does come with a nice user manual which has pictures. However, nobody reads the manuals these days, so that's going straight into the trash. What really impressed me was the leaf blower comes with a 2-year warranty, which is quite exceptional. These days most tools just come with 1-year warranty. So the battery is fully charged, so let's put it to work. I really like the fact that the on-off switch and the speed control are right next to each other, so you can control both things with one hand. We recently had bad weather and a big branch fell off the tree, as you can see. So first thing we're going to do is move the tree branch and then use the leaf blower to clean the pathway next to the pool. I'm going to use level 5 setting on the leaf blower, and the handle does have this anti-slip grip on it, which is useful. So let's see how it does. I love the fact that it's very light like I said before, is just above 5 pounds, and it does a great job blowing the leaves off the curb. The battery will let you work on a low setting for about 75 minutes, which is not bad. For me, the best thing is that I can work next to the pool without worrying about the electrical cords going into the pool. If I had to find a negative about the tool, is the battery. It doesn't tell you how much charge is left on the battery. That would be a good feature if they can add that in the future. Overall, I think it's a great cordless leaf blower, and I do highly recommend it. Comparatively, it is a cheaper option than the competition, so go ahead and check it out.